America and decide to go into America, and the government saw him and they caught him, they arrest him, and they throw him back to Nigeria. You know, I brought out news here. A lot of them came, hey, PK, what are you saying? What are you saying? What are you saying? Now, another one just still come again. One along consider say, PK, see, let me read for you guys and see what is going on right now in America.
We're working to get it done. I mean, you know, it's too bad it started. It would have been a lot easier to end it before it started, right? But it started because we had an incompetent president that he didn't know what he was doing. That should have never started. That war was so easy to stop. Remember this, that under Bush, they took a lot. Under Obama, they took a lot. Under Biden, they tried to take the whole thing. And under Trump, they took nothing. Nothing was gone. Not even a little bit. So it's too bad. It's really too bad. A lot of people are dead right now that should be alive, and a lot of cities are destroyed that can never come back like they were. Those beautiful golden domes and all of the multicolored domes that were 1,000 years old, they're all laying in.
Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You're welcome to this Facebook page and YouTube channel. Okay guys, without wasting much of time, I would like us to go straight down to this news. Today's another week again. Happy new week, happy Monday to every one of you out there. How you guys doing? How is your Monday? I guess you guys are fine, you guys are okay. Okay guys, without wasting much time, so let's dive into this news. Apparently, we did a video concerning Wiki on this platform, and I believe many of you know what I said concerning Wiki when Wiki was, you know, deported from America back to Nigeria. The reason is because Wiki go against the law of America. How? Because Wiki was banned not to enter America and decide to go into America, and the government saw him and they caught him, they arrest him, and they throw him back to Nigeria. You know, I brought out news here. A lot of them came, hey, PK, what are you saying? What are you saying? What are you saying? Now, another one just still come again. One along consider say, PK, see, let me read for you guys and see what is going on right now in America. America again. See, whenever I bring news here, don't come here and doubt me, telling me, oh, PK, what you are saying is a lie. Just see. Now, you don't know. Now, me, they bring a call for you. You need to sit down, listen to what they talk. You feel me? Now, American government have suspended its visa drop-box service in Nigeria, saying that anybody that apply for American visa need to come personally and do their interview for the renewal of the visa. You know why? Because the way Wiki got his visa, and I know Nigeria is a place where we say koni they happen, so I will go into that one. But another one is America government is set to deport 85 Nigerians back to Nigeria. American government want to deport 85 Nigerians back to Nigeria. My question is, if they deport these people back to Nigeria now, what will they be doing? Like, what will Bola Ahmed Tinubu do for these people? It is their country, you know. I'll be saying America is deport, you know. But now, it is not Nigeria's turn. Deporting them back to Nigeria, no problem. But when they get to Nigeria, will Bola Ahmed Tinubu attend to these people? That's where the problem lies. Before we go straight out into this news, let me read. See what is going on. See what Wiki have cost. See what Wiki have cost. Let me read. He said, breaking news. The United States has suspended its visa drop-box service in Nigeria, requiring all visitor visa applicants to attend in-person interview for renewal. You heard? So, all of you now, when you don't apply for this American visa, they are telling you guys now, they suspend it. Why? Because they want you guys to come in person. They want you guys to come in person for interviewing you guys. Then, to renew your visa again. That's what they are saying now. Why? Because, you know, Wiki went to America, and how he got his visa, nobody know, because they've given him visa banned. What happened? No, Nigeria na koni na iki. Who no person, sneak visa give you Wiki. We understand this American embassy, but inside that American embassy, Nigerians are still working there. And not be only American people they work there now. Nigerians are still working there. So with that, They decide to say, okay, something is not right. So other people will come here and get visa, but the real people that want to use the visa is different. That's what happens in Wiki's case. Wiki, because he know if he goes there, they will not give him visa. They won't give him visa. Sure, you've seen the story now. You see how this whole thing came about. That Wiki, he bad dead. It don't even affect other Nigerian citizens. Now, for those of you, if you know you've applied for American visa, they are telling you guys to come in person now. They want to interview you guys because our government, this is their handwork. This is their handwork. They like spoiling the way for other people. Because Wiki going to America, so they are now asking, how did he get visa? Since they've banned him, he can't come to America. How did he get the visa? So they want to know each person. Come with your document, come with your passport. They want to see you. If this person that owns this visa is the real person that want to, because Nigeria, anything is possible in that country. Anything is possible in that country. That's why they need you guys to come and they want to interview you guys before they will proceed. Before they will proceed. So when I bring such news here, don't come here and tell me, oh, PK, you don't know what you are saying. It is you that don't understand what is going on in Nigeria. It is you that don't understand what this government, what they are capable of doing. They can do anything. As far as in Nigeria is a corrupt country, anything is possible in that country. That's what Wiki did. That's how Wiki got his visa. Illegally to fly to America. And he think America is Nigeria. When you get to America, you are free. You know, say, man, the law we hold there for Nigeria, see hold there for America. That is how they grabbing and they say, no, you'll be banned. How come you got the visa to come to our country? So that's it. As for the deportation in Nigeria, bro, let me just show you guys something. See what is going on. About 85 Nigerians are about to be brought back from America down to Nigeria. Let me read just what happened. He said, breaking news. The United States is set to drop about 85 deportees to Lagos, according to the envoy. They want to deport 85 Nigerians from America back to Nigeria, bro. This one loud, though. This one loud. You see what we are saying? If Nigeria is a country that is working fine, as American government is preparing to deport these people, they will come to their country. You know, everything is fine, everything is working. You know, they will, okay, it's our country. We are happy to come back home. But now that the country is not working, even the people that is living in Nigeria, they are finding it so hard to live in that country. Now they want to bring more. Germans deport that day 37. Now America is bringing 85. Like, bro, my question is, what will this government do now to help these people? That is our question. Because the government himself does not care about the citizen. Does not care. Now, the only thing they care about is to spend money on the Boko Haram now. That's their next step now. Now, they want to bring 85 Nigerian citizens from America. Let me say this week, they will arrive in Nigeria. Murtala Mohammed Airport, they will arrive. So what will the government do to help these people? Definitely, people who have stayed in this abroad, like America, for years. They stayed in America for years, and now they are bringing them back to Nigeria. Bro, this one will loud, though. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, what are you going to do to help these people? Because it's going to be very difficult for these people to cope, to do things. These are people who have stayed in the Western world, 24/7 lives, everything is working fine. Now they now find themselves in Nigeria. So how are you going to help these people? You see the reason why we call you at Fix Nigeria. You are almost 2 years in office. You have not done one tangible thing that will make the people proud. Oh, Bola Ahmed Tinubu has done something. Donald Trump is not even up to 1 month in office. Donald Trump is not up to 1 month in office. This man don't do something like say, he don't stay 3 years for office. Then imagine this man completes 4 years. You will not recognize America again. So Bola Ahmed Tinubu, what are you doing now to fix Nigeria? Now they are bringing your citizens back home. How are you going to welcome these people? How are you preparing to welcome these people? How are you preparing to welcome these people? Because these people, you need to fix them. The reason why many of them left the country, they did not leave Nigeria because of insecurity problem. Many of them left because of the hardship. Many of them sold their properties, sold their belongings, their houses to travel out. Now, they want to repatriate some of them back home. And many of them, they don't have where to go. Many of them don't have homes. Many of them don't have homes. So how are they going to start? You see what we are saying? That you are a failed leader. You are a failed government. You are a failed government, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Hear what Donald Trump said again. Donald Trump said this. Let me read. He said, "He who saves his country does not violate any law." He who saves his country does not violate any law. You see what is going on in America about the deportation that is taking place. You see what the Mexicans are doing. The Mexicans said, oh, they love America. They want to stay in America. That's what they are saying. But you love America. You are destroying America's flag, raising your flag up. Does that make any sense? So Donald Trump putting this kind of policy, this man know that, oh, if I not put this kind of policy, these people will there our country, so they go finish our country for us. So now, you want to stay in America, you want your own people to stay in America, and you guys are destroying America's flag and raising your own flag up. And you think Donald Trump will stop eyes not to deport your people again? The more you guys do that, the more you guys provoke these people, and the more they deport. It seems you guys don't understand. You love America, you want to stay in America. Your people love America, they want to stay in America. But you guys are destroying things in their care. So tell me, why wouldn't Donald Trump deport these people? So it's high time you guys use some sense. Use some sense. And what you guys are doing in America, in your country, people cannot try it in Mexico. You want wound? Not Mexico where we know. Not Mexico where we know. You want wound? Immigrants will just come from nowhere, just come the whole ground from Mexico. Who give them that power? You know what? Buy? They won't try it. Immigrants will just go to Mexico and be doing nonsense. Bro, the Mexican citizens will treat their fuck up. We know this. Now look at what you guys are doing in America, and you guys think it's right. It is your right to burn down America's flag and raise your flag up. If you save your country, you will not violate any country law. Same goes to these leaders that think, hey, they love their country. You love your country, but you don't fix your country. But you go outside the country and be doing things outside the country. It does not make any sense. So this man is using the opportunity to tell you guys, fix your country. Anyway, guys, let me just end this video here. Please share this video. And for those of you that have applied for America visa that want to go to America, they've suspended it for now. They want you guys to come in person. They want to interview you guys again to know what's up. So I wish you guys good luck. Go there and let them interview you. Let's see the outcome, because Wiki has left hand. Yes, Wiki has put.
Nigeria, you now see what Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for. The northern leaders, they say they can't wait. They want to come out Tinubu and take over. Nigeria does not belong to this Fulani, so now Tinubu will be the last president, make him be the last president, make everybody their own. But then they are own, they were own. There's no problem. They say they plenty pastors. Let me shock you, they're not plenty pastors.
Everybody wey believe in one Nigeria wey from southeast don shokotalize. No be small thing o, as Tinubu government don remove southeast for the whole budget of 2025 budget wey im do. Nothing this man allocate come for southeast. As the House of Assembly dey pass am o, na this our brother come stand up come dey ask dem wetin dey happen and which kind justice wey be this one. We remember that all the whole prophecy of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu are coming to pass. As it's now right now, the northern Nigeria say the Tinubu no go rule come the next election, and una know wetin go be. Tinubu no go gree, and e go lead to make everybody carry chair go in papa hand. Many people come dey talk, maybe na because of this thing na make Tinubu dey carry some budget dey go for inside the Yoruba land. However, we go play the two video wey you watch before we come back and continue. Stay tuned and watch these full videos.
Nigeria, you now see what Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for. The northern leaders, they say they can't wait. They want to come out Tinubu and take over. Nigeria does not belong to this Fulani, so now Tinubu go be the last president, make him be the last president, make everybody they own. But then they are own, they were own. There's no problem. They say they plenty pastors. Let me shock you, they're not plenty pastors. Most of the votes coming from the north, now Niger vote. It is to see how these so-called brothers, they are so wicked. They allow people to enter their state, vote. After I go tell you, say they plenty pastors. Nigeria, man, I wake up. Back when I wake up, because it's nonsense where this northern leader they do. My noise that they are not even the real Usa. That's my problem. All the governors for the north, they make all the noise, all they are Fulanis. They come as they are open door for other people to come vote. Now they don't turn leaders. Say so. Jagaban, he go finish it. He go finish this election. When I say Muslim, we not complain. When I celebrate, throw away party, dance a willow, dance makosa. Now, the same when they talk say Jagaban not good. You know we go say container. One left and not say no, but again Nigeria. Look at these people. You can't just come and decide. Decide for who are they people decide for which people. Who they that not there? Who are those leaders? Who be those people say northern leaders? Where are they? Where will I imagine beggar full everywhere for those Nigeria all the Hausa? All the Hausa, everywhere you go. You can never see any Christian boy, any Christian child they beg anywhere apart from those people. So what are people leading? Now you cannot maintain your place and hold your place and care for your people. Now to come outside every time they cause spoiling for this country, say another leader, another leaders. But I don't rule this country more than 40-something years. Nothing to show for North. Nobody can go to North and open even a business, pure water business in the North. Yes, now no one leave this country. Make this country breathe. And rest my matter there. Make gonna take time.
Mr. Speaker, I'm from a zone, and none of the southeast and other zones are captured in this particular place. And this is a national budget. We have to look at it critically. Mr. Speaker, I want to bring the attention of the House in this item 281, Light Rail, Kano, Ogun, Lagos. Mr. Speaker, I'm from a zone, and none of the southeast and other zones are captured in this particular place. And this is a national budget. We have to look at it critically. It's not for a particular state, Mr. Speaker. The southeast need to be included. That is my point of order, Mr. Speaker. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable. Your observation. I am sure in the course of the year there might be...
Mr. Speaker, no under time. It is now. Let us do it now. Mr. Speaker, observation.
They are already ongoing now.
Yours is noted, Honorable, and will bring it to the attention of Mr. President.
Order.
In the near future, we'll ensure that that balancing is done, okay? Please, let's make progress.
Order, please. Order, please.
Border communities infrastructure carried. Military barracks accommodation carried.
The event has already overtaken it.
Total capital supplementation carried. Total capital
Observation, Mr. Speaker. South for the rail. South. Decorum, please. My highly esteemed colleagues, decorum, please. Let's maintain some kind of decorum, please.
Order, please. When I'm talking, you are not supposed to also be talking. You can only raise your voice and expect to be recognized. But it's not good when we are talking, you are also talking. It's very dishonorable to us. Please. I have made my own statement or remark concerning that particular observation, and what I said is that we would bring this to the attention of Mr. President. Likely there may be another, supplementary within the year. If that kind of opportunity unfolds, we will make sure that this request is channeled. Okay?
Another observation, sir.
Thank you very much. What observation?
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. It's still on item 282, light rails. I think it didn't indicate anything, so it's an observation. Something has been omitted. 282.
Which one is that? 280?
No, 282. Light rails.
Light rails.
So no
right?
location, nothing. So
Pardon?
no location, no designation, just light rails.
Light rail is the.
But all of them has money. Even that point has money again. Look at it.
It's a mistake.
But
all the ones under that one are the light rail provisions.
Look at it there.
The ones under it are the provisions. Okay? Thank you.
Observation, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, observation, please.
Revert back to plenary
Observation.
to report progress.
Mr. Speaker, observation, please. My observation has to do with 267, Nigerian Intelligence Agency, NIA.
267.
267, sir. 267.
After this, we will not consider any other.
No. We are not. 267, sir.
Let me just give him the benefit. What is the problem?
Yes, the problem is the amount allocated for an hospital.
Pardon?
Amount allocated for an hospital for an agency. Well, no, it doesn't make sense, sir. For us to for the budget to appropriate 238 billion for an hospital for an agency, when we allocated 137 billion for renewable power station.
If you have that observation before we reach that number,
yes,
you should have raised.
I have the same observation, sir. You didn't listen to us.
But we have already hit the gavel. And that
very
means
wrong,
the House has taken a position on it.
It's okay.
So sorry about it, please.
You omitted 277, which is a recapitalization of bank industry. And also to remind Mr. Speaker,
We omitted.
you didn't call it, yes, sir. You didn't mention it.
You didn't mention it.
And equally to lend my voice, Mr. Speaker, the exclusion of the Southeast in the rail and roads from that infrastructure, Mr. Speaker, is one about fairness and one with historical implications for unity and development of Nigeria. Mr. Speaker, I'm taking you by your words that maybe by the supplementary budget, the Southeast will be fully captured in the roads and rail infrastructures.
Yeah.
And any other zone that is excluded, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As una don watch that video, una don see national budget and none of Southeast zone are captured in that budget. Una don see train station Lagos, Kaduna, Gombe, even to Niger. No one come Southeast and you go open your mouth dey toss one Nigeria and the carry should drop Biafra because you are getting peanut from the government. Na Madio and Aga Mapuya your family issue there. Una don see am. Make you stand up go talk. They no go fit talk because if they talk, that one wey they chop, they go comot am for their mouth. Abeg una share this video. No people talk am una so we say and I will carry and come give una more see wetin dey happen.
It's becoming clearer to Nigerians that what Trump's government is saying is nothing but the truth. They are busy granting Boko Haram fighters amnesty after such colossal damage that they've caused to this country.
I served on that committee, and villagers kept telling us that in the middle of the night, helicopters piloted by white people kept landing and offloading guns,